What's that?
Stop purring.
Got a kitty?
Yeah, I got a kitty. Meow. Meow.
That's not nice.
Oh, meow.
Probably because you're petting it. Stop. Give it a break for a second and it'll change modes or something. Here goes. It's a cute little kitty. Can take it for a bike ride? Still purring in the bag.
I just...
I love you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to write.